Handling emergency numbers is a necessary feature for every PBX. At HaPBX, we take safety seriously, so we've designed a workflow to manage emergency calls intuitively and effectively. Step 1. Accessing the Emergency Numbers module. First, we need to access the Configuration module. Go to PBX, then select Emergency Calls, and click on Emergency Numbers. Step 2. Basic Configuration, Description and Email Alerts. Here, we will first add a description to easily identify this list of emergency numbers. Next, you can add as many email addresses as needed. Whenever any of these numbers are called, an email will be sent to these addresses containing crucial information about who and where the call was placed from. This alert email uses a predefined template. Remember, this template can be customized further by going to Admin, then System Settings, and finally, Email Templates. Step 3. Selecting the priority trunk. Next, we select the specific trunk through which the emergency calls will be routed. It is critical to note that emergency calls do not go through outbound routes like regular calls. This is to ensure the calls always go through, regardless of any PIN list requirements or lack of appropriate permissions configured in your outbound routes. If you utilize a separate service specifically for emergency calls, you should set that dedicated trunk here. Step 4. Adding emergency numbers to the list. Finally, we populate the list of emergency numbers. Here, you add the required numbers and include a service name to identify them. You can add as many numbers as your organization requires. Remember to save and apply changes to finalize your configuration. With these settings, emergency calls can be successfully placed from any registered device, including hot desking devices with no extension assigned. Rest assured, no matter what, your users can always place a vital emergency call.